Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got two new collections for you guys. I'm super excited about both of these. It is currently 9 o'clock at night, so the lighting is not the best. If you're seeing this video, these are already up, and then these will be $12.95 for the weekend, and then they will revert back to their regular price. And also the ombre checklist option, as well as the other add-ons, the icons and the scripts and whatnot, those are all discounted as well throughout the weekend. I actually have the pricing right here, so I wanted to say it really quickly. So the base kit is $12.95, base kit plus ombre is $13.95, base kit plus scripts is $15.95, base kit plus the two icon sheets is $18.95, and then the big bundle that has the icons as well as the scripts is $21.95. So that's just the special pricing throughout the weekend. And I think that's it. So these are still really curly. I did not have time to press these. So the first one that I've got here is called Nautical. And here is your full box sheet. Again, sorry about the lighting. I don't feel like I've filmed in natural lighting in a while. So we've got the the gold foil for this. And then just some florals, this really cute bathing suit, bag, this hat. I thought this turned out really cute. And then the bottom washi for this kit I thought was really fun as well. It's got these little lighthouses and these, what is this, like a life raft? Is that what it's called? Super cute. I'm hoping the lighting is all right. I feel like it's really like bright. Maybe that's a little bit better. It's kind of hard for me to tell until I get everything into iMovie and start editing it. So that is your full box sheet as well as your bottom washi sheet. You also have your date covers, two daily trackers, some headers, and then your bow washi. And then the second sheet of this kit has got your boxes. You have your appointment labels, bow checklist, some functional items down at the bottom. And then your third sheet has 3 more rows of headers. You have a weekly tracker. This one does have bows, but there are 7 rows. You've got a 3 bow checklist, 2 of the 2 bow checklist, some more boxes, and then some washi down at the bottom. So that is the nautical version of the kit. I didn't do micro kits this week. We've not been selling very many of them, so I thought I would see about maybe not doing those anymore. You guys can let me know in the comments if you do want them, but we've been mostly selling these, so I don't want to keep putting in like the time to design them, as well as getting some stock and stuff cut for them if they aren't going to really sell. So you guys can let me know though. If you're looking for micro, let me know. But it seems like most people are not using that size currently. So yeah, that was the nautical collection. And then the next one that I've got here is called Tea Time. I love how this ended up turning out. So this one has some just little accent foil pieces throughout. So we've got this kitchen scene up top, this plate with a cake, and then a little foiled teacup, a stack of books. We've got this mail. Love this girl. I thought that was so pretty with the gray hair. And then we've got this little cake stand, teacups, as well as a tea kettle. Got this, what is this called? I've got one in my kitchen. So this is like a floral, like a vase, and then we've got the little foil coming up. But what is that? Tray? It's like a circular tray, but I feel like it has an actual name. Anyway, and then down at the bottom, we have got the bedroom scene. And then for the washi for this, I thought this was so cute. So we have got a teapot as well as like a stack of teacups, and I thought that was just so adorable. So you have got that as well as your bow washi, your headers, date covers, and then your daily trackers right there. So there are those two together. I also really love the colors in this one. And then you have got your other 2 sheets, which I'm just gonna kind of go like this. So you've got your boxes and checklist, and then you've got your headers, your washi, and then your checklist. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. They are up now. Those prices are good through probably Monday morning is when I'll take them down. I hope you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.